insane. This is us going off of the road onto... Oh! God! We aren't even on the road, I don't think. How does this work? So you think it might be time to turn around?
It's like the Winter Wonderland walk, but in a car.
I just hope we can get all the way through. Look, it's a whole road. I haven't seen that for a while.
Oh, no. That is really muddy.
If we get stuck. No.
Got no glory.
You do realize it's going to be dark in an hour. If we get stuck, we are totally 100% screwed. Jamie is not going to come save us.
This is nuts.
Yes, it is. Oh,
You videotaping?
yes, I am.
Why are you videotaping this?
Because I have never seen anything like this in my life, let alone driven through it. What are you gonna do when we get to a point where we can't cross and we have to turn around and go back through this all over again?
Dude, he's in a car.
Yeah, but he might just be coming from this little road up here. He's probably not going through the whole street. We have to get all the way down to the end of the street. We're not even close.
What was that?
I don't know, part of that sign.
Oh.
Well,
Oh, stupid idea.
turn around. I don't understand why you don't turn around. It'd be really... Oh, tree. God.
Because we've already gone this far.
This is not even close, though, to how far we need to go.
Really?
Yes, you know how long this road is?
No?
It's freaking long.
So we should go faster?
Oh, Stefan.